Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram Live Rooms feature. Instagram has introduced a new feature called Live Rooms that allows users to go live on the app with up to 3 people. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Hit the plus icon at the top of the screen. Go right on the bottom menu and select the Live option. After that, press on the left-aligned icon on the left-hand side of the screen and write a title for your live room. Once you're ready to start live streaming, simply tap the button. When your live video screen opens, find the video camera icon next to the comments bar, and you will be able to send requests for guests to join your Instagram live room. In this section, you will also be able to see users who have requested to go live with you. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Live Rooms feature. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.